Hey pals, John here with the LensPal, and today we're going to talk about this, the DJI Osmo Mobile 6. This is a little bundle that we've put together for you guys because we've been getting asked more and more if we have anything for you cell phone creators out there. So this is a mobile gimbal. It'll hold pretty much any of the phones that are out there on the market today. Currently, this is my Z Fold 5 that's in here, but we've had iPhones in here and all kinds of other stuff as well. And yeah, it works really well. You've got the ability to go portrait, back to landscape with a simple click of the button. If you're using the Osmo app on here, which is the DJI Mimo app, you can actually like flip it between front camera and rear camera as well. And yeah, it's pretty great. It works really smooth. It's nice, simple functionality. Again, if you are using that Mimo app, you can hit record using the button that's right on here. You can actually zoom in and out. Ooh, don't zoom in on that. That's not a good look for me. But yeah, you can use this dial here to zoom in and out. You've got your regular sort of gimbal controls with this little thing here. Double tap the trigger to return it to square, hold it down to sort of lock it in place. But we're not just renting out this gimbal as part of the kit. No, we are including this. This is a 10,000 milliamp hour battery that is included. We've got the cables to charge it. We've got the cables to charge this gear as well. And we have this little, I'm trying to find the button for it, this little gizmo here. If I turn this around and, come on buddy, it's active tracked on me, that's why. This clamp is a light as well. So we've got a couple of different power outputs on it. You can just cycle through by pressing the button on the back. And then there's a button under here as well to change the white balance of it. So we've got 3 different white balances, warm, sort of a mid-tone, and a cooler as well. So yeah, it's a nifty little package. Like you say, you've got the gimbal, you've got the fill light, you've got this as well. If you don't want to use the fill light, or if it's busy charging and you still need to go, we've got a regular magnetic clamp on here. All comes in this nice little pouch as well, so easy to rock and roll. There you have it. That's been the DJI Osmo Mobile 6. And yeah, it's available right now on our website, thelenspal.com, with rentals from 2 days all the way up to 90 days. And if you happen to need it longer than that, just give us a call and we'll work something out for you. If you have enjoyed this video, if you found it helpful or informative, or you just like to see me moving about a bit more as we do our videos, please consider giving us a like, subscribe, share, tell a friend, and whatever it is that DJI's social media team are telling you to do this week. And until next time, we'll see you soon.